Hi viewers, this is Avit and you watching the Indian Holiday Makers. This is all about trekking, rock climbing and lots of fun. Beside my topic, I have prepared this episode only all of you for my new setups. As because I have prepared new tables for me that is not a normal tables, it is different types of tables and making of UPVC pipes and a plyboards and prepare a small blogs for all of you. For that you can easily make these tables in low cost. This cost for this particular table is near about 4,000 only. This is a big table near for 18 square foot only for 4,000. That's not a matter of joke. And if you search such computer tables in Amazon, you have cost near about 15,000, 20,000. And I have reduced this cost with the skill of engineering and use this particular table very easily. And how it is possible, and I can show the all details with all of you. Let's have looks the tables. There it is. This is the big tables I have prepared for near about 1 day. First of all, I have shared my experience with all of you that I have separately purchased this particular board from market for 2,400 rupees and purchased some UPVC pipes. You know the PVC pipes from market near about 1,900 rupees and totally assembles. And I am totally inspired by YouTube videos and lots of people, not lots of people, 3 or 4 people have the knowledge regarding this non-traditional table making by this UPVC, and lots of people say that the tables is unable to catch the load or hold the load of your computers, but it is more strong than you have imagined. Let's see how it is processed. First of all, let's introduce the materials which have I required for this particular table. This is a 1-inch UPVC pipe and total 33 foot required for this particular tables, and this is the components which I have to be purchased separately. That is the bent T, and this is a particular bent. It is connection of 1 inch by 1 inch and it's required bends, and this is the socket for 1 inch joining, and this is the clamps which have to be requires the clamp for this particular joining. This is a T12 now or T requires for me, and this is a weld right for proper fixing of this pipe with the particular joint T and bend. This is cost about 166 rupees, but it is discounted and it is cost near about 120 rupees for me. And here it is some the measuring tape, and this is the damage tape and I can manage with it, and this is a hacksaw blade. This is a blade I have to be cut the pipe with required measurement. First of all, I have introduced to all of you that I have already measured and prepared a drawing for this particular table, and all details are here. This is a design we have to be done in this table, and total length and both the pipe are calculated by me at first. Let's start. and now I sit in this bottom of these tables, and you can view the how it is good, and it is totally strong and not so easy to broken down view of these tables. You can watch these tables very easily. I can show the detailed view of this particular tables. This is my both monitors, and this is my CPU, and here it is just temporary shelf made by me, and this is for hide my UPS and switch boards from tables. This is my Buddha. Let's go to inside of this particular tables. This is a joint, and all the things you can watch these particular tables.